Fast English Club.
Introducing yourself.
Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hi, Emma. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from England. I live in London.
Oh, London is a beautiful city.
Yes, it is. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study English.
That's great. I am a teacher.
Ordering at a cafe?
Hello. Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk and sugar?
Just a little milk, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I'd like a chocolate muffin.
All right. That's $5 in total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks.
Shopping.
Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $10.
Do you have it in blue?
Yes, we have blue, black, and white.
I like the blue one. Do you have it in size M?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Great, I'll take it. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Would you like a bag?
No, thank you.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where's the train station?
Go straight and turn left at the 2nd Street. It's next to the bank.
Thank you. Is it far?
No, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Great. Can I also take a bus?
Yes, take bus number 10 from here.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Ordering at a restaurant.
Hello?
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll have a pizza and a glass of water.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for now. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll bring your food soon.
Talking about the weather.
It's so hot today.
Yes, it's 30 degrees.
Do you like hot weather?
No, I prefer cold weather. I like winter.
Really? I love summer. I can go to the beach.
That's true, but I like drinking hot chocolate in winter.
That sounds nice too. Buying a bus ticket. Hello? I need a ticket to London.
One-way or round trip?
One way, please. How much is it?
It's $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. The bus leaves in 10 minutes.
Great. Where's the bus stop?
It's over there next to the shop.
Thank you so much.
Asking for a phone number.
Hey, do you have WhatsApp?
Yes, I do.
Can I have your phone number?
Sure, it's 555-1234.
Thanks. I'll text you later.
Okay, let's chat soon. Offering help.
Oh no, my bag is so heavy.
Do you need help?
Yes, please. I can't carry this bag.
Let me help you. Where do you want to put it?
Just on this table, please.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
No problem. Taking a taxi.
Hello, I need a taxi to the airport.
Sure, get in, please.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Okay, how much will it cost?
Around $15.
That's fine. Please drive safely.
Of course, don't worry.
Fast English Club.